A 2025 GMC Acadia. This is how you locate the cabin air filter to replace it. It's going to be located behind the glove box door. First step is going to be to disconnect the glove box damper. Just pull on it like this, get the lever out of the way. So the glove box has these stoppers right here on both sides that stop the glove box from opening. You're going to have to push glove box in and get the stopper around the piece of plastic. It can be a little tricky to go back and forth with this to get it, but once you get it, you can lower the glove box down. Okay, so push. It's actually easier just to grab both sides and push them in like that and pull down. Can't do that with the camera in my hand, so I'm gonna pause it real quick. I got this stopper around. I got that stopper around, and the glove box will just drop. All right, so the cabin filter is located in this compartment here. We're gonna need to open this guy up. All right, so what you're gonna do on the right side there, you have this tab that's right here, a tab on top right here. You're gonna squeeze these together and then pull it towards you like that. And you can take this door off. Okay, the other side is just pushed into like a little slot. You'll notice that you have some arrows on this cabin filter. This is the airflow direction. It's gonna be down. Got right out. This one's fairly new, so we're not going to replace it. The car's pretty new. All right, so if you need a new cabin filter, I have a link in the description box and in the comment box where you can pick up a premium filter. This is not a premium filter. Premium filters have charcoal in them, so they help out with odors. So you can get a premium filter for the same price basically as a normal filter. So check that out in the description box if you want to get one. Goes back in here. Left side goes in first. That on here, put the glove box, and we just close it, hook the damper back up, and you're all done. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit the like button to support the channel, and hope to see you again in another GMC video.